Spicy caramel cheese bread. I was playing around in my kitchen one night and I came up with this recipe. I surprised even myself. You've really got to try it for yourself. It's delicious. Oh, yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Start with one 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, add a quarter of a cup of sugar, and 3 eggs, and give that a mix. Now add a quarter of a cup of heavy cream, some vanilla extract, and about a third of a cup of caramel syrup. Add 1 teaspoon each of nutmeg, ginger, cloves, pumpkin seasoning, and then sift in 1/2 of a cup of flour. Add a teaspoon of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and mix that thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a 5x9 loaf pan lined with parchment paper and sprayed with cooking oil. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Now that it's out of the oven, cool it in the refrigerator for about an hour. The bread is ready. Separate it from the parchment paper. Slice it down into serving sizes. Then get a slice for yourself and enjoy.